Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Govee neon rope lights as stair accent lights. Unboxing. Pairing with Govee app. Installation. The kit comes with 15 mounting clips with 3M tapes behind it. To make the installation more stable, I used an aluminum LED channel and mount the mounting clips on it. Then you may easily mount the neon rope light on the clips. Attach the LED channel underneath the stair steps with cement glue. Once the channels are stabilized, mount the neon rope light. The rope light itself is waterproof, but the controller and the power adapter are not waterproof. Therefore, I got a weatherproof enclosure to protect the controllers and got extension cables to route the power adapters to an indoor location. Here is a demonstration of how to place the controller and the extension cable connection in the weatherproof enclosure. Here is how everything comes together. I also used the LED channel to hide the extension cords under the stairs. I created a group to control all 4 lights at the same time. Here is a demonstration of several preset light effects. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.